आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Body of mass 4 kg is executing simple harmonic motion of amplitude 0.4 meters and period 2 seconds. Find the maximum restoring force and the restoring force at a distance of 0.1 meter from the extreme position. So have given to us is mass m is equal to 4 kg. Okay. And we are also given the amplitude a is equal to 0.4 meter. Okay, and time period t is given to us is 2 seconds. Okay, so we can also write t time period as t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, and from this formula to t is equal to 2 pi by omega, we can write 2 pi by omega is equal to 2. So this will imply as to omega is equal to pi. This may be our first result. Okay, this is our first result, and we also know that omega is equal to under root of k by m. Okay, and from this we have omega as pi, so pi is equal to k by m, the root. So squaring both sides, we have m pi squared is equal to k. M is given to us as 4, so k is equal to 4 pi square is equal to. Now we have the value of k for the SHM, and we are asked about the maximum restoring force. So we know that F max is minus k times a. Okay, so F max will be equal to max. Let this be our first part of the solution. F max is equal to minus 4 pi squared into amplitude 0.4 of meters. Okay, so it is multiplied. So that will be equal to pi square is approximately 10. So 10 into 4 is 14 into 0.4 is 16, is minus 16 Newton. Okay, F max is equal to minus 16 Newton, where minus sign shows that it is in restoring direction, or it is in opposite direction to that of the amplitude. Okay, now in the second part of the question it is asked, what is the restoring force when it has a distance of 0.1 meter from the extreme positions. So if it is 0.1 meter from the extreme position, suppose this is the extreme position, that is at 0.4 meters, and it is at 0.1 from the amplitude, then it is 0.3 meters away from the mean position. Okay, so we will be taking the x as 0.3. So we know that f at any point is equal to minus k times x, and we know that k here is nothing but 4 pi square. So f is equal to minus 4 pi square into 0.3. That will be equal to minus of 12 Newton. This is the answer for second part of the question. I hope you enjoyed the video.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।